Huh? This flower lost its color. Lulu, Toto, come quick.
Did the gray fairy visit? Wait, is that a thing?
No gray fairy, Toto. The Rainbow River might be running low on magic.
Friends, will you help us bring colors back? Buzztastic, let's go. This apple turned gray. What color should it be?
Red. Many red apples get their color from tiny plant helpers called pigments.
Everyone say red together. 3, 2, 1.
Now that's a snappy apple. Oops, sound effects only.
This butterfly lost its color too. What color should it be?
Blue can look cool and calm. Some creatures look blue because of how light bounces off them.
Say blue with us. 3, 2, 1.
Blue Typhel, get it?
2 colors are missing here. Which ones?
Green reminds us of leaves and nature. Yellow is bright like the sun, great for cheerful scenes.
Green, yellow.
Now it looks like a picnic for paint.
We need one last big color cheer. All the colors together.
Let's say red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Ready. Deep breath.
Teamwork and learning brought the colors back.
High fives, wing fives, shell fives.
And dance fives.